Welcome to London School of Planning and Management, where dreams meet reality. At LSPM, we believe that every dream deserves a chance to flourish, every aspiration a path to success. Our courses are not just about learning, they're about empowering you with the knowledge and skills to turn your dreams into tangible achievements. Whether you're aspiring to be a business leader, a marketing guru, or a finance expert, LSPM offers a diverse range of courses designed to cater to your ambitions. With industry-relevant curriculum and expert guidance, we're here to support you every step of the way. Because here at LSPM, we understand that your dreams are more than just goals, they're possibilities waiting to be realized. So why wait? Join us today and embark on a journey where dreams become reality. London School of Planning and Management, where aspirations take flight. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.